Good evening, ma'am. Myself, Muhammad Asif from CSC D section, Computer Science and Engineering, and my today CAA assignment topic is this problem: d cube minus 3d square d dash plus 4d dash square into z is equals to e power of x plus 2y. Let's move on another slide, ma'am. Here, this is my problem. Here the given equation is d cube minus 3d square d dash plus 4d dash square into z is equals to e power x plus 2y. Here consider this is equation 1. The general solution of equation 1 is z is equals to zc plus zp. This is the general solution of the given equation. Here first we want to find zc according to the given condition, given general solution. Here the auxiliary equation is let's consider d is equals to m, d dash is equals to 1 from the to solve above equation, that is m cube minus 3m square plus 4 is equals to 0. This is the auxiliary equation. By solving this, by solving the above equation, we get the factors. M is equals to 2 comma 2 comma minus 1. These are the roots of the above equation. Before moving the next topic, we want to know the roots. We want to know these topics. The roots are m1, m2, m3. Here all are different roots. Then the complementary factor is f1 into y plus m1x plus f2 into y plus m2x plus f3 into y plus m3x and so on. Here this is the complementary factor for if there is all roots are different. Here next condition. The roots are m1, m1, m3. Here two roots are equal and one is different root. Then complementary factor is f1 into y plus m1x plus x f2 in x into f2 into y plus m1x plus f3 into y plus m3x and so on. This is the condition. Here third condition. Third condition is nothing but the roots are m1, 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 m4. Here three roots are equal and one is different. So the complementary factor is f1 into y plus m1x plus x f2 into y plus m1x plus x square f3 into y plus m1x plus f4 into y plus m4x and so on. These are the auxiliary equations and complementary factors of the roots. In our problem, the auxiliary roots are 2 comma 2 comma minus 1. Here two roots are same but one is different. According to this condition, two roots are same and one is different. The complementary factor is f1 into y plus m1x plus x2 f2 x f2 into y plus m1x plus x f3 into y plus m3x. This is the condition. Here we apply this condition. f1, f2, f3 nothing but phi 1, phi 2, phi 3. Complementary factor is phi 1 into y plus m1x plus phi 2 into y plus m2x plus x phi 3 into y plus m3x. Here we substitute the above values. We get zc is equals to phi 1 into y minus x plus phi 2 into y plus 2x plus x phi 3 into y plus 2x. This is the zc value. Here now we want to find zp value. Here zp is equals to pi is equals to 1 by f into d comma d dash f into x comma y. This is the condition. When f into x comma y is equals to e power of ax plus by, here the above equation we can written as pi is equals to f into d comma d dash into e power ax plus by. Here put x is equals to a, d dash is equals to b. Here pi is equals to 1 by f into a comma b e power of ax plus by. If f of a comma 0, if f of a comma b is equals to 0, then it is called a case of failure. Here in our problem we don't have case of failure. We directly solve from this equation. Pi is equals to f 1 by f into a comma b e power ax plus by. So we apply this condition. Zp is equals to find zp. Zp is equals to pi is equals to 1 by d cube minus d 3d square d dash plus 4d dash square e power x plus 2y. Here e power x plus 2y is nothing but e power ax plus b. A is equals to 1, b is equals to 2 from according to this problem. Here x means nothing but 1 plus 2y. B value is 2. Here we want to put d is equals to 1, d dash is equals to 2. Here we solve this. We solve the above values. D is equals to 1, d dash is equals to 2 in the given equation. We get Zp is equals to 1 by 11 e power x plus 2y. Hence the general solution is, we want to substitute here our general solution is z is equals to zc plus zp. Here we know zc is equals to this value and zp is equals to 1 by 11 e power x plus 2y. Here we want to add both values. Then we want to add then if we substitute the above general solution, we get z is equals to 5 1 y minus x plus 5 2 into y plus 2x plus 5 3 x into y plus 2y plus 1 by 11 e power x plus 2y. This is the final solution. Thank you, ma'am. This presentation was presented by Muhammad Asif from CSC D section, Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology, Autonomous. Thank you, ma'am.